Australians bring a committed team together when they get the support and encouragement they need. They reveal a unique ability for clever thinking, for design perfection, for high-tech solutions that can change the way the world thinks about Australia and the way we think about the world. One Australia is a challenge by all Australians for the America's Cup in May 1995. One Australia, challenging the world.